Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create cell links in Excel. Cell linking is a powerful feature that allows you to navigate quickly within your workbook or jump to external files. You can create a hyperlink from any cell or text, directing users to a specific location. This is incredibly useful for large datasets or when you need to reference information across multiple documents, saving you valuable time and effort in your daily tasks. Let's dive into the practical steps. To create an internal link, first select the cell or text you wish to hyperlink. Then, right-click and choose Link or navigate to the Insert tab and click Link. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, select Place in this document. Here, you can specify the sheet name and the exact cell reference, like Sheet 2, A1. This method is perfect for creating a table of contents or quick navigation points within a single, extensive workbook. For external links, the process begins similarly. Select your cell or text, then right-click and choose Link. This time, in the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, select Existing File or Web Page. You can then browse to the Excel file you want a link to. Optionally, you can add a specific sheet and cell reference, such as C/reports/sales. XLSX Sheet 1, B5 to direct users to a precise location within that external document. This is ideal for connecting related reports. Managing your cell links is straightforward. To modify an existing hyperlink, simply right-click the linked cell and select Edit Hyperlink. If you need to remove a link, right-click the cell and choose Remove Hyperlink. Remember, removing the hyperlink does not delete the cell's content, only the link itself. For multiple links, select the range and use the Clear Hyperlinks option. This ensures your workbook remains organized and easy to navigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.